very important that we make Shalom Bayis because it's very serious. People are hurting emotionally, psychologically because of the pandemic.
Because he's closing the synagogues right the last 3 days, the last 2 days before our holidays. The holiday is 2 more days, and he's closing it right before these 2 days.
The fact is that the planes are full with people. When people were out on the street looting, burning police cars, insulting people, rioting, and yelling, defund the police department. The police department was there to protect them, and the mayor said we have to go to their sensitive issue. We have to let them give out their sensitivity or whatever it is. All of a sudden, when we want to go to synagogue in the house of God and pray, it's not okay. That's hypocrisy at its best. That's all what we're saying.
I met somebody who described last night as unrest, not peaceful. I was here. My husband was here. It was so peaceful that I didn't even think anyone was on the street.
I promise this yontif, nobody touches you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We're just here to help. Let's do it. If it gets too crowded,
Okay, thank you.
Mr. de Blasio, have the guts to come here and face us. You don't even have the guts.
But again, if you're afraid of getting COVID, you shouldn't be here.
Okay, thank you.
Seriously.
I appreciate your concern.
My body, my choice.
Okay, good.
Are you a woman?
I identify as a woman for this conversation. I'm going to play the liberal side of this thing, you know? Come on.
It's fine to protest, but follow rules. Put on a mask. All you should be wearing a mask. It's not a big deal to protest. Black Lives Matter protesters. I was in Black Lives Matter. I was. And you know what? Let me tell you something. I don't know what your verbatim told you, but there was no physical things that happened at any of the Black Lives Matter protests that I went to. Grand Army Closet. No.
You guys have the religious freedom, First Amendment right to go pray because that is your right. End of story. Nobody should be here. Nobody should ever be allowed to come here, especially not after Nazi Germany, and tell you guys you're not allowed to go pray. Just as important as anything else, to go to a doctor, get therapy, any of that stuff. If religion, if going to shul is what's important that keeps you alive, that's your right to do it.
You were respectful, you were wonderful, you wore your masks. I have my name. I want to tell you all, of course, watch my show. We are going to have our shuls open. Nobody's going to shut the shuls. We're going to respect our brothers, our police officers. You will die. My promise to you, before it's done, you will die in your shoes, walk around to Sunday night, and if you have a problem, I will be making a group